Hey good people, in today's video we're making these. Let's do it.
Welcome to our channel,
Ballards by Design.
You do it too much.
Okay, so you only need a few ingredients to make this. I'm starting with a bag of milk chocolate chips. This is 2.5 cups. I'm just going to empty this entire pack into my bowl. Next, you're going to need some vanilla flavored almond bark. Now this is a pound. I only need half of this pack, so I'm using half a pound of vanilla almond bark. Now I'm going to take this chocolate and pop it in the microwave to get it all melted. Okay, so now it's melted. That took about 1.5 minutes, okay? Now, the next thing I am going to add is peanut butter. Yes, peanut butter. Peanut butter and chocolate go so well together. You need about half of a cup. I'm not measuring, I measure with my heart, y'all. But I'm going to put the ingredient list in the description box if you want to make this along with me or make it later, okay? Now that the peanut butter is added, I'm just going to go ahead and give this a good stir. You want to make sure your peanut butter is mixed in really well with your chocolate. Okay, and now it is time for the star of the show, the peanuts. I am using dry roasted. You can use that or salted, unsalted, whatever you prefer. But you will need 3 cups. I am also adding another layer of flavor, which are those heaped toffee bits that you see sitting there. If you don't want toffee bits in yours, or if you don't like them, you want to omit them, it's totally up to you. It is optional. But if you don't use them, you will need 3.5 cups of peanuts, okay? But as for me, I'm going to add a cup of toffee bits. So you want to just go ahead and keep stirring to get all of your ingredients mixed together really well. Like I said, y'all, these are so easy to make and they are so delicious. And while you're here, if you've made it this far, go ahead and give us a like, as that does help our channel. Also, please consider subscribing for more content. Okay, so this is what your mixture looks like when you're done. Now, I have lined a baking sheet with parchment paper, and I just have a drawer tablespoon, okay? And I'm going to do heaping spoonfuls of my candy mixture onto this baking sheet. At this point, it is up to you. You can make these as big or as small as you like. Now, this recipe should make anywhere from 20 to 24 pieces of candy, of course, depending on the size that you make them. Now you guys, these are great for parties, a family gathering, a potluck at work. I mean, if you want to do something quick and simple and easy to make that you know will please a crowd, y'all, I'm telling you, make these. People are going to rave about them. They are so good. Okay, so this is 1 dozen done. I'm going to go ahead and pop these in the refrigerator and get started on the next. So I am about at the end of the mixture, and I'm not going to get quite a dozen out of this. I only got 10, so we have 22 pieces of candy, guys. Now this is the end result. Don't those just look delightful? Y'all know I had to give it a taste, and yes, they are the bomb, okay? All right, y'all, that's it for this. I am just storing them in a Ziploc bag. Now you can put them in an airtight container and they will last in your refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, or you can even leave them out on the counter if your home is cool, okay? But that's it, y'all. Thank you so much for spending some time with me and watching me make these candy pieces. I hope you give them a try, and we will catch y'all on the next video. All right, love y'all big. Bye.